Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm unstuffing from my envelopes. I have a few purchases that I made this week that I need to take money out and take back to the bank. So yeah, I listed them all down here on my little sheet, and I'm going to, I didn't calculate this. I need to calculate the total so that way I know, hold on, I messed up. So I know how much I need to take back to the bank. So another 14 and 35. Okay, so I'm just taking 170 back to the bank. 170 is going back. Oh, I actually need to grab my wallet because I need to pull stuff from there. So let me do that first. Okay, I got the wallet. Just rearrange these a little bit. Alrighty, so the first things first. Now I like to do mobile orders when I place a coffee order, just because it's a little bit easier and I don't have to wait in line and stuff. And because of that, I have to take money back to the bank, and I like to just take it back to the bank and then my next cash stuffing I'll pull money back out just for less confusion. So I just like taking the pile back, taking it back to the bank, and just taking out money. What I'm trying to say is that you could take that money and then keep it for your next week cash stuffing, but I just like taking it back to the bank. That's just easier for me. Okay, so the first one, sorry, my envelopes are a little bit of a mess. When I shop with them, they get very, very messy. They're not pretty, but that's okay. So coffee, I did 2 reloads, so that's $20, 10, 15, 20. That's going back to the bank. Ooh, and I actually used the right pen this time. Last time I used the wrong pen. I have a little Sharpie S gel because I use these at work because they don't smear when I use my mod liners. And I like to color this in. We got coffee is done. So I just like to use my colors because why not? Okay, the next one is I bought a trash can. So I bought it on Amazon because when I first moved into my place, which is almost 2 years ago, I bought a trash can at Walmart, and it wasn't like too cheap. It wasn't like the cheapest one, but I'm starting to notice that it's not closing. Like, it won't stay open. That's what it is. It won't stay open when I need it to stay open, and then when it closes, it makes a funny noise, and I don't like it. So I felt like I should get a new one. So I did. I ordered a new one. I actually haven't received it yet. It should be coming tomorrow. So that's exciting. But I need to pull money out for that, which is 87. Okay, so I'm pulling that out of my home envelope, which I have been saving for. I want to buy like new bedding for my bed. And let me go to my home envelope. This money, where's my home envelope? Oh, you know what? Did I take it with me? Where is it? I think I lost my envelope. Where did I put it? Oh, I must have put it out of order maybe? There it is. It's out of order. It just confused me because usually I put them in order. I don't know how that happened, but it is what it is. It's fine. So I have 128 in here that I've been saving to buy myself a new comforter. I think it's mainly going to be like a duvet and then a comforter like insert piece. And I've been saving this money for that, but the trash can thing has been like a new problem for me, so I'm just gonna buy the trash can, which I already did. I feel like that was more of a priority than buying new bedding because it's not like I really need new bedding. I just want it to look pretty. It's not like a functional thing or anything. I felt like this took more priority over that, so that's why now I'm using this money to do that. So I need 87, which I'm not gonna have 87 because, well, I don't have any more. Okay, I need to make change. So what I'm gonna first do is go into, and if you want to make this a little bit easier on yourself when you're doing unstuffings, you can always go to the bank and get change and then do them, but I like to work with what I have. So I'm just gonna get 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thankfully I had 10 ones. Let me double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that will help. And I'll take this 10 and put it in here. All right, cool. So that should do it, I think. I need $13 if I take this 100, right? And 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, yeah. Okay, I think that's right. I'm pretty sure that's right. But I'll double check myself. Okay, so I put the 87 over here, took the 13 back. So now over here, which I'll have to update my tracker. I need another new one. Oh well, okay, I'll write it down here. So I subtract 87. So 128 minus 87 is 41. Just so I can make sure this is correct. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Perfect. So that's 41. That's left, which actually I think I could buy the duvet or the insert. I'm going to be stuffing a good amount in it this week, so I might be able to buy that soon, even though I took a bunch out. So that's trash can, 87, done. Okay, next is I have a Disney item because I did do a mobile order, so I need to take money out of here. I need $14. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm left with $1. I'm gonna need to stuff a good amount in this week because I'm going to Disney on the weekend. So $1 is not gonna be enough. That's okay. I will stuff it. So that's minus 14, and I'm left with 1 now. And then have this one that I can check off here. Oh, I'm also gonna do a little condensing too with this, because maybe I could keep that 100. We'll see. Fun. I'm going to take out of fun. Why is this out of order? I don't know what happened. I think maybe I took a picture and I just took envelopes. I think that's what I did. I took envelopes out just to take a thumbnail picture and I just got messed up. That happens. Why am I doing that? Okay. So fun is 14. So I'm going to take a 20, give myself 6 back from over here. So 5, 6, that's 14. So let me update this on fun. Minus 14. So I'm left with 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. And fun. All right, so that one I can color or highlight. And then last is road trip, which I believe is in my black binder. So let me go there next. Because since I went out of town, when I went to Disney, I like to take this money out for gas. So I'm gonna do usually $35 with the pricing with gas right now is good. So I think I usually fill up 35 and then that gets me there and comes back with like still a little bit left. So it's a good amount. So 35, I have the exact amount, yay. And I'm left with $60 and I'm going to Disney again. So I will be pulling another 35 in my next cash unstuffing. 35, so I'm left with 60. Okay, great. That's the last bit. So we'll have to make sure that this totals out to 170. Ooh, I don't think I messed up, so it should total out to 170. We shall see right now what this is. So I have 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 170. 170. Perfect. All right, so now that I'm done with this, I don't need this anymore to check off. So now what I'm gonna do is just go through my binders and see if I can condense, because I remember last time I really couldn't condense, I think 20s, or I don't know what it was, but we'll just see if I can do anything. How much is in here? 360? Do I have 300s in here? I do. I think that one's good. Christmas, I have 335. Do I have 300s? I do. 335. I think that one's good. Electronics, I have 559. Maybe in here. 20, 40, 45, 50. Okay, can't do anything with those, but I can do a 10 with these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in cash, I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 58, 59. And in the bank, I have 500. That's 559 in there. Emergency. Let's see here. 50, 7. Okay, I can do 100. 110. 20, 40, 60. So 50, 70, 90, 110. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So I'll have to give myself 110. Well, I don't have any 10, so this will have to do. So I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 510. 410. Yep. That's correct. Extra debt has 85. Do I have enough? 50, 70. Yeah, that's good. Furniture has 70. I don't have any 10s. I think that was the issue last time. I didn't have 10s. And I have a lot of 5s because the bank last week I didn't have any 10s. Okay, now I'm got 10s. So I could do 20. Oh, I'm gonna give myself some back actually. Actually, I can do 20, 40, 45, 50. All right, that's 55 for rainy day. Oops. Registration has 60. So I can do 20, 10, 15, 20. That's 60. Road trip has 60. I think I need, no, I got a 10, so that's good. Scentsy has 66. Oh, that's good. Subscriptions has 30. Okay, I can definitely use something here. So I have 10, 20, okay, 10, 15, 20. So 30. Treat yourself has 137. Okay. 5, 10, 15. So I can do a 10. 100, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. All right, cool. So that is it for the black binder. Let me go into the savings binder. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 120. And then here, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lots of ones. Okay, so I have 50, 60, 70. And then this challenge, oops, forgot I need an envelope for this one. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Cool, I have 20. So that's 70. And then this one, I can do 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 30. Nope, this one. Okay, and then this one's all messed up. All over the place with this one. Okay, so let me put this in order because I always put the bills in the back. I don't know. So now I always make a mess. So 20, 40, 50, Okay, I can't do anything with that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. Okay, this has just been the ones I've been collecting, so that's pretty good. It's a good amount there. Okay, and then last one is the white binder. Might have a little bit. Fun. That's 36. I have a bunch of 5s. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so I'll do a 10. So that's 35, 36 in fun. Clothing. 10, 15, 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Perfect. Thought I had more than that. I guess oh yeah, no, I bought something with it, but I forgot. 10. Okay, I don't have any 20s left, so I can do 10s. So 10. So that's 25. Disney only has 1. Family has... Okay, can't do anything there. Gifts. Nope, no 20s. Hobbies. Nope. It's all good. Holiday decor. Nope, all good. Target. I'm gonna do a 10. Oh, that's my last 10. Cool. And then home. I have 1s. Okay, no more 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 here. So I have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. And home decor. Cool. And then I'm just gonna double check my wallet because do I have envelopes? I have a couple envelopes in here that I'm shopping with currently. That's good. 76. Content. That's good. I think these are going to be fine. I just want to double check them. Yeah, because I need 10s. Okay. So it looks good. Well, actually, once I count this, then I'll know if it's good. Okay, so I got a bunch of 5s. 5s and 1s. That's what I'm taking back to the bank. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 135. I'm supposed to have 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Plus 35 is 170. Perfect. All right, so this 170 is just going back into my checking account. So that's where, since I think, yeah, all of it was money I spent using my card with online payments or debit card purchases. So this is just going back into my checking. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch as I unstuff and condense my envelopes. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.